Hi, my name is Turner Simmons. I'm from Boise, Idaho. I've been born and raised here my whole life. I'm 23 years old. I currently am living with my mom and my grandma. My parents divorced when I was younger, and I have one older sister who is going to school in St. Louis to be a speech language pathologist. And right now, I am working as a CNA and phlebotomist to get hours and more experience in the medical field. Some of my hobbies include anything active related. I really like sports. I like hiking. I'm looking to get more into fishing. That's something I want to do more of down the road. As far as schooling goes, I recently graduated from the College of Idaho with my bachelor's degree in health sciences, and I'm really looking to use that degree to kind of help me go on further into PA school. I really want to be a pediatric physician assistant, but I'm also open to, maybe once I get to PA school, maybe something else will kind of spark my interest, whether it be neurology, something with the brain, or something with surgery. Surgery is something that kind of interests me. Uh, and so the reason I'm taking this class is to just get a better understanding of biochemistry, and it's also a requirement for PA school, so there's that. Um, but I really look forward to getting to know the rest of you guys in this class and talking with you guys on discussion boards, and hope we can just make this a good experience for everybody. See you guys.